Hi guys, I want to show you how to use Twincel to access your backed up contacts, SMSs and other files offline. So as you can see, I have no internet connection. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll go to my phone book and I will delete all the contacts in my phone book. So basically the phone is just empty, and Twincel is now the virtual phone. So you can see, without having any contact in my phone book and having no internet connection, one thing you can get from Twincel is you'll be able to access all your backed up contacts and SMSs. Alright, here they are, as you can see. And you can also be able to select the contacts, some or all, of course, contacts, and restore them to your phone without internet connection. So here it is. All your contacts are back in your phone. Yeah, try it. It's now available in Play Store and iOS. It's free. Download and enjoy. Bye bye.